What is going on, y'all? So we're going to be replacing the air filter on this 2002 Ford F150. This is the same way from 97 till 2003. So pretty simple, pretty easy. Let's get to it. All right, so one of the things you're going to need is a socket or a flathead screwdriver and a 5/16 socket. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to loosen up these hose clamps. I think probably we're just going to do this one. Then you're going to pop this clip just like so. That'll take it loose. And then you're going to pop those out and this piece will slide off, and it takes a cone filter. And this is a Wix filter. And here is the part number for that. So, all right, here we go. Okay, so we got the hose clamps loosened up. These two right here, plus this one just in case this is a little bit sticky. And it goes in there a little bit. And so there's two little feet that go into the fender well right here. And you want to be careful because you got your cables running through here and your vacuum lines. So those will pop out. And it's going to be a little difficult. So we're just going to remove this piece. Get it up out of the way. Right there. Get some room. Put this piece right here. Underneath there, it's sticking a little bit. What's going on? So, there's that right there. Get that out of the way. So be careful you don't get a bunch of dirt and stuff in there. Filter. As you can see, it's pretty nasty. A whole bunch of stuff falling out of there. All sorts of goodies. Here's the new one. Here it is, nice and clean. And now it wants to come apart. Oh, you guys see that? We're going to clean that out. That is absolutely filthy. Be right back. All right, so got that up out of the way. And get the new filter in there. Press it in there. Make sure everything's right. Your seal's not poking out anywhere. You don't want that to happen. Okay. And then this piece goes back on there. There's actually little tabs. You can see right here, there's a little tab that fits here. There's the little tab that goes, or the cutout here, and the tab there, or the horn, or whatever you want to call it. So, get that back on there. Make sure it lines up. The retaining clip is not there, it's in the way. And then lining up there. Sure everything's lined up there. That is good. Just gonna slip that back on. Slip it on there, and then we're gonna tighten these up, and you're done. So pretty easy, pretty simple. Not too bad. Just a little bit of time. I think maybe 5 minutes total, give or take. So thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for watching this video. And if it helps you out, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if it helps you. All right, till next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.